Nyama, nyama.
Nothing wrong with my baby. Dang, I'm about to just give him some more medicine. I already gave him some this morning before church. But I have to give him this medicine till I see his actual doctor. But y'all keep doing all that other stuff like I'm not taking care of my kids. It's giving friends. Right, we good friends, right?
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
I don't have... I'm celibate, bro. I'm not even thinking about... Yay. Okay, look, he about to be mad. You know... See, I got a cough, too. Chrisean, but this, it's crazy because as soon as he take this, he coughs up a lot of phlegm. Just FYI, everybody. Just keep... Look, he don't even want it. He know what this is. I know, Chrisean. Let me mute it before y'all try to play with me because he going to be coughing because the medicine. Oh, okay. That should get rid of his cough. One thing about this medicine, it's good instantly. But then, like, you have to keep giving it to him every couple hours. See, he just coughed it all up. Good boy. Give me that. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's okay. You're doing good. You got all that phlegm up. See, this medicine, it clears his, like, thing. Like, he's still coughing it up. Like a big boy, though. Oh, like you got a mucus suction? Yes, I do.
You didn't even let me take you out to dinner. Hold on.
I signed a major deal. By the grace of God, this was God because I was not a boxer till I was a boxer. Did that make sense? So now your girl is boxing. My first day training locked in the gym. It's tomorrow with Coach Calvin. I'm very excited. I'm very honored. This is Tank Davis, trainer, coach, or I don't know. Long story short, God got me locked in. And I'm happy because not like that, but I've been off the scene for a little minute for a lot of things. My music, everything. So for everything to be turning around the way it is, I'm excited to announce the things that I'm finna announce. I didn't even really announce it for like, y'all got the good news, but y'all ain't really get the good news. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's things that I'm holding back from telling y'all.
Thanks for tuning in to Newborn Arrival.